Finally this morning, the Weekend Web. They are among the best in web design, and they're just kids. But these kids have won a big honor for their talent. Here are NBC5's Art Norman and Charlie Wojciechowski with more.
Good morning, ladies. Earlier this summer, we were looking for the best and brightest high school stars who are really good at designing websites. And we now have found the best from the city and the suburbs. They're our special guests inside the NBC5 Data Center. Good morning, Charlie.
Good morning, Arthur. There is a lot of great web design work being done by high school students in our area, and these are some of the best. Take a look at the winners of the Hostway Web Contest. On the top there, we have Stefan Flores from Mount Carmel High School, as well as Chris Keenan from Northside College Prep. On the bottom level, we have Pat Murphy from Naperville Central and Edgar Antonio from St. Charles East. Congratulations, guys. A great job. I want to start with you, Stefan. This is your site up here at Mount Carmel. Tell me about some of the ideas involved in putting this site together.
I redesigned it last year. We wanted to have something that was easy to navigate, easy to view news, and it looked nice.
Excellent. A beautiful site here. Now, all the ideas are very, very different. This is Chris's site here, and you really put this together to help you with history, correct?
Correct. I was a sophomore taking AP US History, and I've been looking for ways to study for tests, and I found that there were multiple websites on the internet that would always be down. So what I did, I just compiled all these notes and put them onto one central resource page for all the students, and it turned out to be a big hit for students across the country.
Top on Google, correct?
Top on Google.
Pat, you really did some great work with accessibility for the handicapped. I'm going to switch over here. Tell me about your site.
Yeah, my youngest brother is in a wheelchair, and when my family decided to build an accessible home for wheelchairs, we found it was hard to find a good website online with good information, and so once we built ours, we decided to make a website. We've got pictures and suggestions and even ideas we kind of forgot about for other families who are doing the same thing.
Fantastic. Now, our last gentleman here is Edgar Antonio, and Edgar, tell me about your site as I call it up here.
I created this for my class assignment for web design, but it also had the idea of that this is a business site that I would want to use further, and basically it explains about what my business would be and gives examples of some of the works that I have done.
Really impressive work. The gentleman we also have standing here is John Lee, who is from Hostway. First of all, tell me about what you think about what these guys did.
I think this is just excellent. I mean, I think a website has become part of our everyday life. I think a lot of people forget that the whole revolution started right here in Illinois, at the U of I in 1993 when we came up with a web browser. And Hostway is a company that's Chicago-based. We started in 1998, and we service people's websites and host their websites. And we just wanted to get a way to get involved with the community and give back. And what better way than to showcase these great, excellent talents that we have right here in Chicago.
Arthur, what do you think here?
I want to ask these young people, because the Mayor's Office of Technology is behind this impetus. What do you guys want to be when you grow up? All right, let's start at the top and work down.
Stefan, how about you?
I'm going to be a military officer.
It's because you're going to West Point as of when we leave here, West Point. How about you?
Computer engineer.
Edgar?
Web designer.
Majoring in computer science.
A broad field, some great ideas and some really great work done by kids who have a wonderful future ahead of them. Arthur, back to you.
Thank you very much, Charlie. Thank you. By the way, if you need more information about the Mayor's Office of Technology or that company, Hostways, just dial us up. We are the #1 site for breaking news on the internet, NBC5.com. For Charlie and our special guest, I'm Art Norman, and we'll see you next weekend.
Each student, by the way, won a $2,500 scholarship from Hostway Corporation based in Chicago.
Hey, grab your jacket if you're going out.